Introduction to Phonic Books for Catch-Up Readers, published by Phonic Books. What are phonic reading books? Phonic reading books are books that beginner or struggling readers can read at their level as they acquire literacy. They are also called decodable books. Pupils are taught target spellings and the sounds they represent in step-by-step progression. They practice reading the target spellings within a text they can decode, that is read, independently. Gaps in phonic knowledge and skills. Many struggling readers fail to progress because they have gaps in their phonic knowledge and skills. When they see a word they have not seen before, they do not have strategies to read the word accurately. Filling in the missing gaps. Special needs teachers assess their pupils to find out where the missing gaps are. They fill in the gaps by teaching a systematic phonic reading program. As these pupils learn, they practice reading using their newly acquired knowledge. The texts increase in complexity with the pupils developing phonic reading skills. Phonic books are reading exercises. Phonic books, or decodable texts, are step-by-step reading exercises. They have controlled language that matches the reading level of a pupil. If the text is not limited to what the pupil can decode independently, he or she will resort to guessing. Guessing encourages inaccurate reading. This leads to poor comprehension. Older readers need age-appropriate books. Older, struggling readers follow the same steps as beginner readers, but they may need more practice at each stage. They cannot use the same resources as young beginner readers, as they may suffer from low self-esteem as a result of reading failure. Low self-esteem hinders learning. Children who feel low self-esteem will not be enthusiastic and positive about learning to read if they are offered reading books intended for young readers. This will hinder their progress. Reading age, interest age. These pupils need phonic reading books which are age appropriate. Phonic Books Limited specializes in publishing a range of decodable reading books for older, struggling readers that combine a reading age of 4 to 7 and an interest age of 8 to 14. Special features based on expertise. The creators of our range for older readers are experienced reading specialists with qualifications in specific learning difficulties, dyslexia. They have developed some unique features in the books that will help older, struggling pupils learn to read. Here are these features. A reading practice page with a phonic focus. Only 3 or 4 lines of text for reluctant readers. Motivating illustrations and storyline. Short chapters for reluctant readers. A vocabulary page to develop vocabulary. Text on cream background for easier reading. Syllable split for the reader. A dyslexia-friendly font. And workbooks for further learning linked to the stories. Here is our range of books for older readers. Moondog series. Moondog series sets 1 and 2 are for older absolute beginner readers. Inside the Moondog series. Here are sample pages from the series. Magic Belt series. Magic Belt series introduces sh, ch, s, k, ng, w and ul spellings. Inside the Magic Belt series, here are sample pages from the series. Alba and Totem series. Alba and Totem series are two parallel series which introduce alternative spellings for vowel sounds. Inside the Alba series, here are sample pages from the series. Talisman 1 and 2 series. Talisman 1 and 2 series introduce more alternative spellings for vowel and consonant sounds. Inside the Talisman series, here are sample pages from the series. Additional resources. Workbooks complement the series. They provide further reading, spelling, comprehension and writing activities linked to the stories in the books. For further information visit www.phonicbooks.co.uk or contact us at inquiries@phonicbooks.co.uk.